Hello everyone, if you want to play Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands and your game is stuck on a black screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that error easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. Right click on Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands, click on Install Files, click Verify and Target Your Game Files, and then open up Tom Clancy's Games folder, or you're going to go to its location manually, and then right click on the Tom Clancy exe file, click Properties, Compatibility, click on Run this program as an administrator, and also click Disable Full Screen Optimizations, click Apply, OK, and then open up the Easy Anti-Cheats folder, right click on the Easy Anti-Cheat underscore setup, click Run as admin, click Yes, and then click Repair Service on it. After you do that, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Start menu, you're going to right here Graphic Settings, you're going to click Add Desktop App here, and then add the Tom Clancy's exe file into this list. And then find it into this list. Here it is. Click on GPU preference, set it to high performance. After that, close this up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you don't have any overclocks running on your graphics card. So I'll show you NVIDIA first and then I'll show you AMD. You're going to right click on your desktop, go into NVIDIA app, go into system then, and then go into advanced. And then you're going to make sure that you turn on debug mode. What this does is it resets any overclocks that you may have set on your graphics card, because overclocks can be unstable. So just turn on debug mode. And now onto AMD, you're going to right click on your desktop, go into AMD control panel, and then you're going to click onto performance and then tuning. Now you're going to make sure that you set automatic tuning to default. So no undervolts or overclocks should be running on your graphics card. Set it to default. After that, close this up, and now you can go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that black screen problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.